It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 1st of February. I'm James Spann. Obviously, it's cold today, but the coldest air so far this season will be showing up about a week from now. And the question is, will it snow with that Arctic blast? A lot of questions. Let's see if we can find some answers. Here we go. Big trough over the eastern states and a nasty winter storm rolling up into the Northeast U.S. Down here, cloudy and cold and windy. That's the visible satellite view, and a few flurries underneath all of that, but really not much to speak of today, and that's not going to be the issue. The issue, it's the cold. Temperatures have gone absolutely nowhere since 6 o'clock this morning. Birmingham, 38. We've been there basically all day. 35 at Cullman and Aniana. Tuscaloosa, 42. We'll see a clearing sky late tonight, and by tomorrow morning we'll be in the 20s. There's the watch warning map, a winter storm warning down in the mountains of North Georgia, the mountains of western North Carolina, but the big issues up in the northeast United States. Again, this is the Winter Storm Severity Index, and the impact values are highest around New York City and northern New Jersey. Keep in mind, they've already got 10 inches on the ground in many spots, and this is the additional snow expected tonight and tomorrow. The airports are shut down. It's just a major high-impact winter storm. And they'll finally start to dig out later this week. Thankfully, no severe weather, no thunderstorms expected through tonight. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. For Alabama, the amount's generally 1 inch or less. Next chance of rain comes Thursday night of this week. And, of course, everybody wants to know, is it going to snow around here? So let's dig into modeling and see what we've got. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. The big trough is off the East Coast. And for us, the day will be sunny but cold. We start the day in the 20s, the high 45 to 50, so not as cold as today, and that sun will make it feel better. This is Wednesday. Again, we start the day in the 20s. The high Wednesday should be in the low 50s with a sunny sky. But Thursday, we warm up nicely. Upper 50s are likely, and here comes our next cold front north and west of the state. Clouds will likely increase late in the day, and this is Thursday night at midnight. A batch of showers coming in. No risk of any severe weather. There's no instability, just rain. And then Friday, the front pushes down to the Gulf Coast. And Friday is looking dry. Rain will be ending very early in the morning. The sky becoming partially sunny, highs in the 40s. This is Saturday, and here comes the secondary front, and that's the one that's going to bring the coldest air of the season so far. At the moment, Saturday looks like a dry day with a high 45 to 50. This is Saturday night on that Clipper-type system, the secondary front. There might be a few snow flurries up in the Tennessee Valley, but again, based on this, nothing meaningful. The meaningful date is the cold air. That's a 1,043 millibar high coming down into North Dakota. And this is Sunday. We are windy and cold. We could stay below freezing much of the day, colder than today. In fact, some folks up in the Tennessee Valley could stay in the 20s all day. The sky at least would be partly to mostly sunny, no precipitation. And this is a week from today, Monday. The trough that brought the cold air is on by, and we are dry and we are very cold. This is a look at temperatures coming off the GFS Monday morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see for the northern half of the state, values between 10 and 20. And this is the European, very similar. Most locations between 10 and 20. And look at the sub-zero numbers over East Tennessee. Wow. Cumberland Plateau back over toward Knoxville. Coldest air we've seen in years at this verifies. So again, that's the highlight for now. And again, as the cold air comes in, the chance of snow is very small. But the question is, what happens after that? So this is Tuesday night of next week, the night of the 9th, and a surface wave forms near the Gulf Coast. And if this is right, this would be a nasty icing situation for southern Tennessee and maybe the northwestern corner of the state, with snow north of there from Nashville up into Kentucky, but rain for most of the state. This is the GFS depiction, and it's very similar. Rain for most of the state with maybe some icing over the Tennessee Valley. So the time to watch will be Tuesday night of next week. Could that cold air modify enough for just rain? We really don't know that yet. And again, I think the best way to look at it, it's the probabilistic outlook. This is coming off the European ensemble. This is the probability of greater than 1 inch of snow through the middle of next week. And for North Alabama, the numbers are in the 10 to 40% bracket. The bottom line is the jury's just still out. We don't know yet. Just something to watch. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 11th, the zonal flow, and we are dry and not as cold. So this is the snow output for Birmingham off the European ensemble, and that's much more interesting for the snow lovers. Most members suggest a few flakes along the way, and a few show of significant snow here. Not that many. And again, I think the main time frame to watch, the middle of next week. As the air comes in this weekend, I don't think we see much more than flurries, if that. But if we see a significant winter storm, it would be, again, probably 8-9 days from now. Just something to watch. We'll watch for trends. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the liquid equivalent, the mean about 2 inches. Now, this is from the national blend of models. And again, this is going to be conservative. It's got a high Sunday and Monday in the middle 40s. Let's go to the actual European deterministic run. And you can see it drops our low into 15 Monday morning. This is for Birmingham, and the high Monday 34, and I think that's much closer to reality. You'll see the national blend of models coming down over the next few days. But the bottom line is it'll be the coldest air we've seen in a while. So get ready for that. And this is the CPC Outlook. This is for the 8th through the 14th of February. Much of the country in shades of blue. That's below average. For Alabama, near average. Maybe a bit below for that northwestern corner of the state. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.